At dawn in 2005, Solis set sail. Our very first inverter reached the UK and took root. By 2009, new horizons opened as we carried Eastern PV wisdom to the sunshine of North America. In 2010, we completed our vertically integrated factory, laying a strong foundation for the future. 2011 saw us host the IEC conference, giving China's photovoltaic industry a powerful voice on the global stage. In 2015, Solis lit up the Paris skyline. In 2016, we proudly earned the title of Global Top Brand. By 2018, we rose above the tide, achieving growth in both revenue and profit. As the bells of 2019 rang, Solis entered the ranks of the world's top 3. Now in 2025, on this red scroll, we mark 20 years of Solis achievement, empowering green energy, leading the zero-carbon era. Solis, the journey continues.